Children, today we are going to learn topic 9 simple interest PPT 20. Question number 1. If the interest is 70 rupees on 350 rupees for a certain period and for certain rate, what will be the interest on 1050 rupees for the double period at half the previous rate? This is the question number 1. So we know formulas for a simple interest. Just I will simple interest I is called PTR by 100. But here this is a logical question. We have to solve. The formula we have for this, to find this we have to use this formula here, IPTR. ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి వచ్చేటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్, సో ఐ లెవెల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు ఒకటికి 2 సార్లు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా చాలా క్లియర్గా వినండి. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీరు ఓన్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఐపీటీఆర్ హియర్, ఇఫ్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఈజ్ 70 rupees on 350 for a certain period, means time, certain means T only, and for certain rate R only. What will be the interest on 1050 rupees? 1050 rupees for the double period. Double period means 2T at half of the previous rate. అంతకుముందు ఉన్న రేటుకు హాఫ్ అంటే R/2. సో వాట్ విల్ బి ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్? we have to find this interest. So this is we taken as I2. These are I1, this I1, P1, T1, this is T1, this R1, this I2, P2, T2, R2. So here is a relation among IPTR. We know the formula I1, I2, P1, P2, T1, T2, R1, R2. So what the relation between these, among these, is a formula I2. I will write here I2 into P1, T1, R1 is equal to I1, P2, T2, R2. This is the relation formula. This is the relation formula among these I1, I2, P1, P2, T1, T2, R1, R2. So like this we can write these values. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వాల్యూస్ మనం రాస్తాం I2 into these values. So I2 into these values means I2 into 350 into T into R. I have written these values. Next to I1 into these down values. I1 I1 70 into 1050 into 2t into this R by 2 R by 2. So let us cancel left to right. 0 0 gets cancelled. 7 1s are 7 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 0. TT cancel. RR cancel. 2 cancel. So answer I2 is equal to 210 rupees. I2 is equal to 210 rupees. Next question number 2. The simple interest on a sum 13,200 at the rate of 2 paisa per month for 2 months will be. So this is the question, came in 1988. Here we have to find the simple interest. Simple interest I is equal to formula PTR by 100. I is equal to PTR by 100. So here we have to know PTR, principal 13,200 rupees, time 2, rate 2 months, 2. If except here given time in months and rate also in months, then we can substitute those values directly. Then only we can write those values. If there is different months, years, different, we don't write like this. So if there is time and rate in months, for months given, we use the values directly. So now we have to substitute this in this formula. 13,200 into 2 into 2 by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 132 into 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 4 3 is the 12. 4 1 the 4. 5. So 528 rupees. This is the interest, children. So option 528. Option 4. In this 210, option 3, children. In first question, option 3. Third one, Ari borrowed a sum 4,000 for 2 years from his friend Ashok. If the rate of interest is 10% annual, how much money has Ari to pay back to Ashok after the 2 years? Here we have to find amount. We know the formula for finding amount. Amount is equal to formula. Amount is equal to P plus I or I plus P. I plus P. A is equal to I plus P or P plus I. This is the formula. So first we have to find interest from this question. Interest I is equal to PTR by 100. formula. So here interest, principal, principal, what is the principal? 4,000 rupees, 4,000. PTR, time 2 years, rate of interest 10%. We have to substitute these values in this formula. 4,000 to 10 by 100. 1010 cancel, 1010. So 4 2s are 8. 8. We have to keep these two zeros beside. So 800 interest, children. But we have to find amount, annual, how much money as Hari to pay back to Ashok after the 2 years. 2 years తర్వాత ఎంత మొత్తం టోటల్గా చెల్లించాలి, పే చేయాలంటే టోటల్ we have to find amount. So this is the interest. We have to add for this principal. How much principal? 4,000 principal. 4,000 principal. We have to add 4,000 rupees. We have to add. So amount, while adding this, we can get amount 4,800 rupees amount. He has to pay back. So option 4. Fourth question. A person deposited 3,000 at the bank for 10% simple interest and kept it for 2 years. Then how much amount did he get? Here we have to find amount. Before finding amount, we have to find interest. So interest, here also we have to find amount. Amount is equal to interest plus principal or principal plus interest. Here given I is equal to, using this formula we can find PTR by 100. Principal 3,000 rupees, T 2 years, or rate of interest 10%. So we have to substitute these values in this formula. 3,000 rupees, children. 3,000 2 years time 10% by 100. 1010 gets cancelled. Another again 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 600 rupees. This is the interest. So interest is equal to, this is the interest 600. We have to add for this principal 3,000. So amount of 3,600 rupees. So he will get 3,600 rupees after 2 years. 3,600, option 4. Next question number 5. On certain amount for 4 years and for certain rate of simple interest, the interest is 160 rupees. On double the amount for 2 years for the same rate of interest, how much interest should be? So here we use for like these questions, we use the formula IPTR. IPTR on certain amount means P only, certain amount means P only, and for certain rate same, certain rate means R of simple interest for 4 years. 4 years the interest is 160 rupees, interest 160 rupees. On double the amount of double means 2p, double means 2p. For 2 years, 2 years for the same rate of interest same, how much interest it should be, interest enta vastadi. So we know the formula of I2 P1 P1 T1 R1, I2 P1 T1 R1 is equal to I1 P2 T2 R2. So this is the relation among this IPTR. So this row, this I1, this is I1 P1 T1 R1. These are I2. You have to find P2 T2 R2. So this is the relation formula. So in this simply take like this, I2 you have to find I2 into P into this we have to take now 4 into R is equal to, now take this 160 into 2P into 2 into R. Now we can cut left right, PP cancel, 2 2s, 2 1s, again 2, again 2. So R also cancel. So what is the remainder on right side? I2, that is I2 160 rupees. So this is I2 160 is option 2. A certain sum given on loan with simple interest becomes double in 10 years. The rate of interest is, rate of interest formula we know, rate of interest formula R is equal to 100I by PT. This is the formula. Here we have to find rate of interest R. R is equal to 100I by PT. A certain sum given on loan with simple interest. Certain sum means IPTR, IPTR. Certain sum means a certain amount, P only, not there here, on given on loan with a simple interest becomes double. Double means so how much is given, that much interest will become, then only double. ఎంత అమౌంట్ అయితే తీసుకుంటారో అంత పెరిగితే అప్పుడు డబుల్ అయింది అంటారు. అంతకు అంత అంటే 100 రూపీస్ తీసుకుంటే 200 అయితే అది డబుల్ అయిన కింద లెక్క, అప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 100 రూపీస్ పెరిగినట్టుగా లెక్క. సో టైమ్ 10 years here given, 10 years here given. So here we have to find the rate of interest. So 100, here we have to substitute these values. 100 into interest P, principal P only, time 10 years. So 0 0 gets cancelled, PP cancel. So 10 rate of interest 10%. So this is the answer, option 1. చిల్డ్రన్ మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ను ఒకటికి రెండు సార్లు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకుంటూ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నట్లయితే మీరు అడుగుతూ ఉండండి. అంతేకాని ఒకసారి వినడంతో వీటిని మీరు చేయలేకపోతారు. కాబట్టి మీరు ఓన్గా మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి కాపీ చేసుకొని. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 7. ఇఫ్ సింపుల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎట్ సర్టెన్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ 500 rupees for 2 years is 100 rupees, what would be the interest of the same amount at the same rate of interest in 5 years? Watch carefully. Here not their interest, so that's why we have to find the interest only. So here also we should use the relation formula IPTR. If simple interest at certain rate or of interest on 500 rupees, amount 500 for 2 years, 100 rupees. What would be the interest? Here we have to find interest of the same amount, 500 only, at the same rate or only of interest in 5 years. 5 years lo enta interest avutadi. So this is I2. We have to find. To find I2, we use this relation. See children, I2 into 500 into 2 into R is equal to, now write this 100 into 500 into 5 into 2. This 500 cancel, 2 ones 250. Next RR cancel, RR cancel. This last one R, not 2, this RR cancel. So I2 is equal to, on right side we have 50 and 5, 55 are 25, 250 rupees. So this is the answer. So 8th question, in how many years will 500 rupees double at 20% simple interest? How many years? Here we have to find out time. T is equal to 100I by PR. So this is the formula for finding time. If given interest, IPR, in how many years will 500 rupees double means interest also 500, rate of interest 20% given. So here we have to find T. To find years, here we have the formula. Substituting these values, 100 into 500 by 500 into 20. 500 cancel, 21 the 25 the 5 years. So 5 years means option 3. Question number 9. Here we have to find A sum of 10,000 rupees has been given on simple interest at 18% rate per annual. Find out it monthly simple interest. So here we have to find interest. Interest is equal to interest I is equal to PTR by 100. So here PTR principal 10,000 rupees time uh, find out its monthly simple interest. 1 month means 1 by 12 years. Time is convert into years applying in this formula. Rate of interest 18%. So now we have to substitute these values in this formula to get interest. 10,000 into 1 by 12 into 18. We can write this 100 any of the numbers here or here. Here 10,000, 10,000, one more zero. So we can write here 2 zeros gets cancelled, 6 threes, 6 twos, 2 ones, 2 fives, 0. 5 threes are 15. So 150 rupees is monthly interest. So option 3. Children, question number 10. What is the simple interest when sum is 1800 rupees and rate of interest is 10% after 10 years? So here we have to find interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. So here given PTR principal 1800 rupees, time 10 years, rate of interest 10%. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. Then we get interest, simple interest. 1800 10 into 10 by 100. Zero zero gets cancelled, one more zero cancel. So 1800 rupees, option 2. This is the interest. Next question number 11. What is the simple interest on 5,000 at the rate of 8% per annum for 1 year 6 months? Same formula, simple interest I is equal to PTR by 100. Here principal PTR principal 5,000 rupees, time 1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months means 1.5 year. 1.5 year means 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 years. Rate of interest 8%. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. Principal 5,000, not 500 children. 5,000. 5,000 time 3 by 2. Rate of interest 8%. We can write by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 fours, 3 fours are 8, 8 fives are 40. 3 fours are 12, 12 fives are 60. So 600 rupees is interest. 600 rupees. Option 3. 12th one. Ram borrowed a sum of 550 rupees from Ghanshyam with a common interest of 8%. What is the total amount required to clear the debit after 6 months? Here we have to find amount. How to find amount? Adding interest to principal or principal to interest. So first we have to find interest, then we have to add principal. First interest. Interest is equal to formula PTR by 100. In this principal 550 rupees, PTR time after 6 months. After 6 months means half year. Rate of interest 8%. We have to substitute these values in this formula. 550 not 500 not 550 time of year, rate of interest 8 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s 2 4s, 2 2s 2 5s, 5 1s 5 1s 5 1s, 11 2s are 22. So this is the interest. Now we have to add principal to this interest. Principal 550 rupees. So amount A is equal to 522 rupees. Option 522. What is the total amount? 572 rupees. 5 plus 2 7, 572. Option 3. Option 3 is the correct. Question number 13. A person borrowed 5,000 at the rate of 6% from a money lender. After 6 years, what is the amount he has to pay to him? Here also we have to find amount. So how to find amount? Amount A is equal to interest plus P or P plus interest. First we have to interest, then add principal to this interest. So interest I is equal to PTR by 100. PTR principal 5,000 rupees time 5 years. After 5 years means 5 years. Rate of interest 6%. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 5,000 5 6 by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 5 5 are 25, 25 6 are 150. Write this 0 also. So interest is 1500, principal 5,000 rupees. So amount 6,500 rupees. So this is the amount 6,500. Option 4. Next question 14. The simple interest for 600 per month, 600 rupees per month is 15 rupees. Then the rate of interest per year is how much? This is rupee, children, 15 rupees. Here we have to find rate of interest. Rate of interest is equal to formula R is equal to 100I by PT, 100I by PT. This is the formula. So in this IP, we have to know IPT, interest 15 rupees, principal 600 rupees, time, what is simple interest for 600 rupees per month, per month is 15 rupees. Then the rate of interest per month so here per month means 1 month 1 by 12 years. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 100 into 15 by 600 into 1 by 12. 12 ones are 12 fives are 60 0. 52s are 51s are 15 twos are 30%. 15 twos are 30%. So 30% is rate of interest. Correct option 4. Question number 15. The simple interest for 1000 at the rate of 10% per year in 146 days is simple interest. We have to find simple interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. Prints PTR. Principal 1000 rupees, time 146 days, means we have to convert this 146 by 365. Yes, rate of interest 10%, so 365. We have to substitute these values. Principal 1000 rupees, time 146 by 365 into 10 by 100. 1010 cancel, 0 this 0 cancel, 5 twos, 5 zeros, 5 sevens, 35, 5 threes, 73 twos, 146, 17 ones, 22s, 40, so 40 rupees. This is the interest. Option 4. 16th question. The simple interest for 1000 at the rate of 20% per year in 3 years is. Here we have to find simple interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. Print PTR. So principal 1000 rupees, time 3 years, rate of interest 20%. So we have to substitute these values in this formula. 1000, 3, 20 by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0. 3 2 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 2 zeros. So 600 rupees interest. Option 3. 17. Sham lends 800 rupees at 12% per annum. Simple interest. The amount which he gets after 5 years is amount. Here we have to find amount. We know amount A is equal to I plus P or P plus I. First we have to find the interest, then we have to add for this principal. So first interest is called formula PTR by 100. Here principal PTR, principal 800 rupees, time after 5 years, 5, rate of interest 12%. So we have to substitute these values in this formula. 800, 5, 12 by 100, 2 zeros. 8 5s are 40, 12 4s are 12 5s are 60, 6 8s are 48, 48, 480 rupees. 480 rupees is interest, but here we have to add find amount, so that's why we have to add for this principal 800, so amount A is equal to 0 8 12 1280, 1280. So option 2 is correct. Question number 18. In how many years of 500 rupees for 5% rate with a common interest 600 is obtained? In how many years? Here we have to find how many years means time. We have to find time. To find time, years, T is equal to 100I by PR. IPR. Interest here 500 rupees, amount 500 rupees, 5% rate of interest 5%, with the common interest 600 is obtained. So he got 600 means amount. Principal 500 rupees. So how much is the interest? While subtracting principal from amount, we get interest 100 rupees interest. So 100 rupees interest. So interest 100 rupees. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 100 into 100 by 500 into 5. 2 zeros, 5 20s, 5 1s, 5 1s, 5 4s. In 4 years, 4 years, you will get 600 rupees. So this is the time. Option 2. Question number 19. The simple interest on 300 rupees at 6% per annum for 2.5 years is equal to. Here we have to find simple interest. The simple interest I is equal to PTR by 100. PTR, principal 300 rupees, time 2.5 years, means 5 by 2 years. Rate of interest 6%. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula to get interest. 300, 5 by 2, 6%, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 threes, 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 45 rupees is interest. Option 4. Children, last and final question. 20. Question number 20. The interest paid on 600 rupees for 3.5 years at 5% per annum is interest. I is equal to PTR by 100. PTR, principal 600 rupees, time 3.5 years, 3.5 years means 7 by 2 years. Rate of interest 5%. While substituting these values, we can get interest. 600, 7 by 2, 5 by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 threes. 3 sevens are 21, or 3 fives are 15. 15 sevens are 135. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. 15 sevens are 105. 105 rupees. So option, this is the interest. Option 2. So please completed, children. These are very important, so you practice these problems carefully.